Okay, good morning classmates. This is the part 2 of our report in Social Skills Session 6 from slide 10 to 16. Okay, let's go to slide 10. Sample of soft skill: ability to come to work on time regularly. Consistently arriving to work on time and the benefit of being punctual to build positive work in your job. Okay. Ability to work independently without supervision. Ito naman yung mga nagtatrabaho na may kayang mag-organize at magplano ng kanilang trabaho at gawin yung task na pinapagawa ng kanilang boss. Okay. Good communication is skill to get along with other people. Ito naman yung mga taong nagtatrabaho na kayang makipag-communicate sa mga taong kanilang binibigyan kumbaga ng isang product or kayang i-communicate sa kanilang ginagawa, kaya niyang makipag-usap ng maayos, kaya niyang ipasok yung sarili niya sa pakikipag-usap ng maayos at nakikipag-communicate sa mga taong kliyente na dapat kanyang tulungan. Okay. Advantage of soft skill. For example, a lawyer not only need to know the finer points of the law but also the skills to manage a client. Ito naman yung kumbaga isa kang lawyer na alam mo lahat ng law at kung paano mo i-communicate o paano mo gawin yung mga kailangan gawin para sa iyong kliyente at para ma-resolve yung kaso na inyong kinakarap. Okay? An IT person not only should know how to program but also to able to deal with users, internal and external, to better understand what will be used to them. Ito naman yung mga IT student, IT person na kayang mag-program or kayang makipag-usap, makipag-deal sa mga user internal to better understand what will be used to them o kung ano yung pwede nilang gamitin o pwede nilang gamitin para sa kanilang program. Okay. Sample of soft skill. Adaptable. Ito naman yung mga kayang mag-adapt ng mga kayang gawin at kayang din gawin ng ibang tao. Motivate co-workers. Ito naman yung minomotivate mo yung katrabaho mo, kumbaga para magtrabaho pa rin ng magtrabaho at kayang gawin lahat. Good listener. Ito naman yung tao na kayang makinig sa lahat-lahat ng mga sinasabi kumbaga ng iyong boss. Team player. Ito naman yung mga tao na kayang sumugal or kayang magtrabaho ng maayos. Punctual. Ito naman yung pumapasok ka ng maaga sa trabaho. And outgoing. Ito naman yung tao na friendly and easily personality. Yun. Responsible. Ito naman yung tao na pagiging responsable sa trabaho na kailangan gawin. Or pagiging responsible sa lahat-lahat ng bagay. Productive. Ito naman yung productive, ito naman yung product na productive, ito naman yung nagde-describe a person capability to do a lot of work but is can refer to anything to produce a lot. Okay. Sample of hard skill. Typing words per minute or changing tires. Build furniture, write a manual, teach a language, plant a tree, software development. Advantage of hard skill. A lawyer not only need the skill to manage a client, but he only need to know the finer points of the law. Ito naman yung lawyer na kayang mag-manage ng client. Ito naman yung lawyer na kayang mag-manage ng isang law na dapat dun sa kliyente na kanyang kinakaharap. And an IT person not only should be able to deal with user to better understand what will be useful to them, but he must know the different programs he will need to work with his user. Ito naman yung IT person na alam niya yung program na dapat dun sa kanyang kliyente, na dapat alam din nung client niya. Dealing with blind spot. Being social competent allows you to deal with blind spot. Blind spot are a form of vision impairment. It is named after a functional impairment of the eyes where nerve fiber blocks the passage of light from the retina. Yun. Okay, number 16 na tayo. So, blind spot video. Inorganized blind spot refers to functional impairment where individuals are blind. When it comes to functions or process or even dynamic that are essential to a healthy organization. Ideally, blind spots are repaired with as much urgency as possible. They are attacked with surgical precision and coached to improvement. Okay, yun po guys, yung part 2, 10 to 16 slide.